Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 25th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had a little bit of a news-driven spike reversal situation today. Kind of the key for me was that it never did break the wave 4 low, so it never really did confirm a move to the downside. And actually, I mean, even though that is a big push right there, I still think it doesn't really change anything. I still think it is likely a wave 5 of either a wave A or a wave 1. I would definitely be watching the 50% Fibonacci if it does respect that level, does make an impulsive move down, and I still think it is likely to go down for either a wave B or a wave 2, and eventually go back up for a wave C or a wave 3. We do have to keep in mind that we are less than a week away from US dollar interest rate news. Whatever's going to happen over the next week or so is definitely going to be setting itself up for news next Wednesday. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.